Hi guys! So today we are making Pancit Canton, which is a Filipino noodle dish. There's so many ways on how to cook this dish, but today I'm gonna show you how I make it. So let's start cooking! Here are the ingredients for the Pancit Canton. Heat oil over medium-high heat in a large skillet, then start stir-frying the fish balls for about 2 to 3 minutes, then remove and set it aside. Put a little bit of olive oil, cook the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes, then add fish sauce and pepper. Saute red onion and garlic for about 2 to 3 minutes, then add broth, soya sauce, pepper, brown sugar, and nor. Then cover and let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Add fish balls, carrots, beans, and snow peas. Mix and cover and let it cook for 2 minutes. Don't overcook your veggies. Take out the chicken, fish balls, and veggies and set it aside. Add noodles, mixing gently to prevent from breaking. Cook until liquid is absorbed and the noodles are done for about 10 minutes. Put back the chicken, fish balls, veggies, and mix it well. Our Pancit Canton is done. It's time to eat!